hopefully everyone has downloaded this and has worked on it. So here we go. What pen do I want to use? Because it's very important. Colors are very important. Okay, so what is the critical value of Z star for the following confidence intervals? What you guys get? How did you look it up?
5.
You got 5?
1.282.
Okay. Does anyone have a formula sheet? My book is being covered up right now, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so just a refresher. If you're using your formula sheet, the Z star is going... Shades of my other periods. Okay, the Z star is going to be where this infinity sign is. We wanted to be 80% confident, correct? 80% confident is 1.282. Just a refresher. Okay, 96% confident?
2.054.
And 99.8% confident.
3.091.
Okay, so I just want to review too, you guys, Z star. So if this is for means and we're looking up Z star, right? What do we know? If it's a Z confidence interval, it's a Z interval, what are we always going to know about every problem? Yeah, but we know the formula for the other problems too. There's something that they give us that's different than, because why would we use Z star and not T star? No, we know the mean. Sigma. So everything on this worksheet, the reason that we looked up Z star is because they gave us sigma, okay? So the NAEP, the National Assessment of Educational Progress, includes a short test of quantitative skills, covering basic arithmetic and the ability to apply it. Suppose a random sample of 60 young adult men are taken from a large population, and we're going to assume that sigma is 60. So so our sample right here is 60, and it's a random sample of 60. So I know this question is not here, but I'm going to ask you because I think it's always important. Does it meet the SRS condition?
Yes.
Why?
You stated in the problem that they took a random sample.
Yep, it meets the SRS condition because it's stated in the problem. It says a random sample of 60 young adult men. Okay. Describe the shape of the sampling distribution of X bar and justify your answer. So what's the shape? The shape of the sampling distribution of X bar is approximately normal. Oh, I don't know what that word is. Oh, it's norm. Approximately normal. Why?
CLT says that if your sample size is bigger than 30, then it's normal.
Because the CLT states that if our sample size is sufficiently large, ours is 60, then our sampling distribution is approximately normal. So because the CL states, finish that sentence because I'm running out of room. And not that anyone could see it that's at home right now. So the shape of the sampling distribution of X bar is approximately normal because the CLT states that if our sample is sufficiently large, ours is 60, then our sampling distribution is approximately normal. Or you can just say that. You could say the CLT states that if our sample size is large enough, then our sampling distribution of X bar is approximately normal. You could say that. You don't have to, because. If the mean of the sample is 265, what is the 90% confidence interval?
I am 90% confident that the true population mean I said this part right, but I said scores of a short test of quantitative skills is between.
Well, because it says the NAEP, that's
Yeah, I
okay.
guess.
Mean of
Whoops.
score, right?
Yeah,
Of young men
yeah.
is,
Is between
okay?
252.26.
Okay,
And did that say 277.74?
yep. So I am 90% confident that the true population mean, I don't need that word mean of the NAEP score of young men is between 252.26 and 277.74. Okay, if a 95% confident interval is 256.82 and 287.18, what is the mean of the sample? You guys, you can do it the long way, but remember, the X bar is in the center, so all you have to do is add these two scores up. And divide by 2, and you get 272. So a nice sentence would be good, but if you show work, that's good as well. Okay, what does 95% confident mean? This is one that I don't think I really have stressed to you, so I want to make sure that you guys have this, because this is what it means. It's not a conclusion. 95% confident means this. This is not my best, this is not the best definition, but I will make sure that tomorrow I get you the good one. And I don't even think I'm going to be able to fit in this all because I write too big. Is it really 127, 128?
It's 128.
%95 confidence means that in the long run, the method used to compute the interval will produce intervals that contain the true mean 95% of the time. It's not 95% of the time we'll have this, we'll have an interval. That's not what that means. And you guys, it has to be this way, okay? Is it 12:39? Can we just finish? So let's talk about E. How many of you got through 3E? Okay, so let's talk about E, and then I'm going to let you guys go. How do the margins of error change as the confidence level increases? What happens to the margin of error as the confidence level increases? Matt?
Your margin of error is going to increase as your confidence level increases, as you have a wider range of numbers to be confident are true population and/or proportion are within.
Yes. So you guys, basically the margin of error is going to increase as your confidence increases. Okay, unless you're doing something with that, unless you're going to increase your sample size, your margin of error will always increase as you get more confident. Okay? So, you guys, this is your homework tonight. The proportions is your homework. Okay? The proportion one's your homework. Please don't cheat. Don't look up the answers online. Can you try to do it on your own? Okay? That would make me very happy. And then we'll do both. We'll turn both of these in tomorrow. Okay? Thank you, guys.